This is Waterfall, yo.
Something?
We had a pilot back there. Who was it? Was it James? It was, huh?
I don't
No,
know.
it was.
Me. No, it's like.
No, it was James and then Kim and then whoever was behind him.
Going down that one?
Or was that Tim? Was it Tim?
Mine.
Oh, it was Anthony.
Me and then Carson and Kim stop, Carson Charlie.
Oh, dominoes.
It's just at a corner. Just at a...
It's actually quite hard to get around. It's got lots of like rock face.
That one.
Yeah. The best thing to do on the waterfall, boys, is just space it out.
Yep. Space it out. Okay.
Cool. The first section's not too bad, you know. Once it opens out, and then it really starts to get steep.
This is infamous waterfall.
It is.
Yep.
It is.
Here we go.
Just if anything, just go slow.
Okay.
Like you can totally just ride the brakes the whole way down.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm gonna get off at the hardest
Wall
part,
riders.
yes, and I'm gonna be getting you guys to try and come to the right. You go over this little roller, and then it goes shoo, straight hard to your left. You gotta skirt the manzanita bushes. It's just two ledges. It doesn't look like it goes, but it goes. Okay? You just gotta have a little faith and just go for it. Cool?
And left? Yep. Just
Yeah, well,
no brakes.
yeah, you're gonna come right at the top towards me, and I'm gonna point you to the left. Just keep going left, close to the manzanitas. It goes.
Okay.
But if you're not feeling it, man, just slow down. That's all you got to do on this. You just cruise down the whole trail. Give each other a little bit of room.